want to go to Negril, or even to my bed. Me just gonna Negril, me just gonna Negril now. Gonna Negril, me just gonna Negril now.
It's another week of the Big Bad Show, Pree Dis. Yeah man, my name is Casmar and welcome because we have a lot in store for you. Of course, we're going to bring to you guys the latest in Jamaica's entertainment and lifestyle. And look what we're there. Hedonism 2, the Big Bad Hotel in us. So guess what? I can't wait to get inside to find out what exactly the facility is like. So yo, just stay right here for this half an hour because Pree Dis with Casmar starts right now. Hey yo, Pree Dis is in the building. Of course, Hedonism 2 is where it's at. We don't know, we're all the way in Negril. That's how we do it in a Pree Dis style. And of course, I'm making you hear the pre-ments. Right now, yesterday, the best of the 90s beach party edition recently took place at the Sugarman Beach in Portmore. Trust me, a beer vibes. I wish I was there, so I'm not understand I'm going to get an invitation. But of course, Pree Dis was up in the building. I'm going to give you guys the highlights. So yo, check the thing now, man. Pree Dis.
Y'all me know say, no man a look you but me no in on the race. So as no matter what you do, must have to get less. Coulda run till you run right out of the place. You know they still have the night me take you away without stress. True, you are the hottest thing wherever take the place. Like your mama consecrate your body with praise. Boy, you good looking for a while and look here. Remember about your band when you decide to share more. Can go together like Buddha and Bear. Rosy round stone and that stand clear. Oh, what giant to have to have you near. Oh, one of a kind, no man like you are rare. Baby, don't go now. Only pull up and cheer me and no man a look you but me no in on the race. So, yeah, no matter what you do, must have to get less. Coulda run till you run right out of the place. You know, you still have the night, me take you away without chase. I'll start a man and me see each up for your can. Get to realize that you every man a feature. Bearers have gift for me, say non-stop lecture. All I've got is love. Baby, baby, take my hand, cry without intermission. Love when me a carry will forever expand genuine. So good.
First time we're doing this and we're excited and we're still at the beach and I'm excited, so it's all good.
What's the reason for having it on the beach?
Well, it's just basically a pulling on. A lot of people was asking us to do something different with yesterday, and then we asked them what them they like. It's a beach party, so we're on the beach. Yesterday the beach edition.
Yeah, the party good tonight, you know? No vibes on the beach.
Enjoying yourself?
Yeah, man, we're there. I enjoy myself.
How about you?
Yeah, I'm doing good. I'm on a 5 cup of liquor. I'm going to tell you, say, water me I go right now. I'm good. Party a shot.
How are you enjoying the party so far?
I'm enjoying it. I'm really enjoying the party. It's crazy.
Yeah, man, the party I go on mad, man. I don't know. Be a girl, be a thing. Mad, you see it? So we are dealing.
The party shut up. Anybody that hear them and miss it because they're mad. I'm looking so sexy. Me and my friend Kim are all so hot. How are you?
I'm okay. I'm enjoying myself.
Back already, you don't know we're at the poolside and you know we do it big at Pree Dis, you know. And right now, I'm chilling with my Ocean Spray Cranberry juice and I can't wait to take a sip, but I have to let you guys in on the events that are coming up. Tovan Haye is a popular promoter here in Negril, and of course, he's going to be telling us about the challenges he faces here in the resort area. So let's talk to Tovan and find out what other events he could possibly have coming up. Tovan, talk to them, man. Remember cranberry juice.
One of the first signs we face, Kevin, is definitely not much support from corporate Jamaica. Definitely, you would love some more support from corporate Jamaica in this side of the island because right now, Negril is doing big. Negril is one of the major makers of premium events right now. If you can imagine, Dolce Inc., you know, Dolce is one of the first premium events to hit this side of the island. So definitely, if we could get more branding, more support from corporate Jamaica, then we should be good. Because we have a lot of other major promoters here who do big things.
How has the Noise Abatement Act affected you as a promoter in Negril?
Tremendously. It has affected us tremendously because, you know, a lot of patrons don't come out until at least 12 o'clock. And if you hear that the party has to lock off at 2, then you know that's just 2 hour partying, you know. Definitely we don't make any money at the bar, the gate might suffer. So a lot of, it affects us tremendously in a negative way. But, you know, we're hoping to get that, you know, amended so we can actually move forward, get some extended times.
What are the parties that you promoted in the past? What parties that people know you for?
All right, everybody should know the major brand, Dolce, which is one of the biggest brands in Jamaica right now. It was actually featured on last year, 2010 ATI season band. It was the premier event for ATI, the new event, one of the new events for ATI last year. It was the last party of the season band. It was great. We got the support. It was a good event, you know, and it was for me being the first promoter to be on the season band. Great accomplishment. The next big banger, Inc. of course, which was held last year, 2 times here, right here at the water park, definitely, is one of the biggest brands in the Caribbean as well. You know, and if you know it, it will be coming back in July, right here again, as it will be branded, actually branded under the Apperton 18 brand as one of the ATI lead-up events. So actually then we'll have that in July again as well. So Inc. Dolce, we're working on a few stuff that we actually want to keep low-key for now. Just want to big up everybody who supported Inc. Dolce. Pree Dis, new thing, Channel 100, Flow, right? Good. Yeah, man. Swag team, big up. Landy, Dre, Marlon Davis, Don, Weezy, a.k.a. Damian, big up. Bless.
So you got some time, you don't know, we missed the ball, but guess what, we're talking about a celebrity interview this week, and guess who we have? Richie Loop, the man known for My Cup. Yeah, man, and hits like Party Like It's Your Birthday with D Major and Busy Signal. Big things right there. Now the man is over by Mothers, alright? The one in the Springs, yeah man, in Kingston. We'll catch up with him and let's find out what exactly was going on in Richie Loop's career. Yo, I'm going back to Tennessee now. Hedonism!
What's in my cup stays in my cup. In my cup stays in my cup. My drink is in my cup. In my cup is in my cup. My cup, hey! My cup, hey! My cup, hey! What's in my cup stays in my cup.
I've evolved in a very good way, because now I'm an artist slash producer, you know, slash songwriter slash engineer, slash with a part of something, but not the bad one them. But you know, it's a good vibe still for me. It's a good look. Producing is my first love, so you know I always wanna love producing. But artist is my second love, so you know I do it because you know I can. But producing is what I love, because to like produce a young artist and you know get a bad tune for him and him shut up road. It's a good look.
If you're feeling what I'm feeling in the club, in the streets.
It's been a really good ride for me, because you know you go places and people know you, people treat you differently. You know, not saying I want them to treat me differently, but you know they treat you differently because you know you're Richie Loop and thing. But it's a good feeling still to know that really, people really appreciate your music and appreciate what you do.
My cup, hey! What's in my cup stays in.
Well, yeah, actually, because you know I am not like an artist that you know was doing songs before. I just did one song and it just went. So to me it was surprising. I never even know people would actually like the My Cup song. It's after I go like abroad and I see people really like partying to it, and when I come back to Jamaica, people was like, yo, the My Cup song shot, yo, everybody want. I said, okay, alright, that thing can work. So it was a good feeling.
I'ma tell you this one time, yeah. So listen close.
Life of the My Cup now is just me. Me for myself, I just want to produce some more, and then afterwards I go back to the artist thing, because you know now I'm just doing artist producer, but I really want to get some producing done, because last year I didn't do as much producing as I wanted to, because I was just going on tours, doing you know the regular shows, you know, the tours and this and that, you know. So now I'm just focusing on more producing and more songs. Richie Loop is me. Richard is also me too. I used to attend Clarendon College, you don't know, and everything. And where I'm from Longville Park, Clarendon, you don't know. Freetown, big up on yourself, the Ola Wolaba, you know my people them. Yeah, big up mommy to everybody.
What's in my cup? What's in my cup? What's in my cup? What's in my cup?
Hey, yo, I got the place to myself, and of course you know Hedonism is known for all the crazy events in us. I can't wait to see what's going to happen later. But speaking of events, let's talk about the Pree Dis calendar of events. You know, if you don't know what to do, where to go, and what is happening, this is the calendar events for you. This is the event of all events. And of course, April 21, let's talk about April 21, because we have the Soca Beach Sexy. Going to be taking place at the Waves Beach in Portmore, and of course we have Kurt Riley, Shine, Blaze, and Ali Patch. Gonna be doing the whole musical selection. So let's check out the Pree Dis Calendar of events. Me and my cranberry now.
Me a give you the strength, that's why me a thump her up. The maga man thump her up. Make she fly in the air and tap on the chair. No one no man rump her up. That's why me a thump her up. School I him a pump her up. Make she fly in the air and she not too care. No one no man rump her up. Me thump her in the worst way. Thump her on her birthday. Make she mash up the dress and she fling with the fan and bars and she thirsty. She said, Lord have mercy, but this is not a nursery. You forget what you said when me tell you, say me thump hard for the first day. So me a thump her up, the maga man thump her up. Make she fly in the
Easy peasy, you know what that means? It's time for our first commercial break, and when we get back, we have a lot more in store for you, so I know you don't want to move a muscle. Remember, we're at Hedonism 2 in Negril, so anything is possible. Of course, I'm working out in my sunglasses. So come back.